If you're feeling doubtful about the power of manifestation and the law of attraction, then perhaps this video might challenge your beliefs. But if you truly sense deep within that there exists a universal force, a powerful energy that listens to your every thought, responds to your spoken words, and has the ability to redirect your life's path, then keep watching. Here's an important truth. The words you choose to speak have far more influence than you might realize. If you don't harness their power, you could be unknowingly keeping yourself away from the life of abundance and success that you've always dreamed of. Imagine living one small step away from all the wealth, freedom, and happiness you've ever desired without even realizing it. The fact is, you might unknowingly be creating barriers between yourself and the things you wish to attract most. That's a truth you can't afford to ignore. But there's hope. Stay with me as we uncover a secret that could completely transform your financial reality. In today's journey, you'll learn a powerful technique, little known to most, that has its origins in an ancient Aramaic word. This practice carries the potential to align your energy with abundance and unlock wealth in ways you've never imagined. Before we dive into the transformative technique, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from this message. Leave a comment below to express gratitude to the universe, and by doing so, you activate a ripple of positivity that not only spreads outward, but also brings your desires closer to realization. Let's delve into the origins of Aramaic, one of humanity's oldest and most spiritually profound languages. It was widely spoken throughout the Middle East during the time of Jesus, and many believe he used it to convey deep spiritual teachings. Why is this relevant now? According to spiritual scholars, Aramaic holds a unique vibrational frequency that connects deeply with the universe's energies. It's not just a language, it's a medium of alignment, capable of influencing the physical world in extraordinary ways. Certain Aramaic words, particularly those used in sacred practices, serve as keys to accessing higher vibrational states. These states, in turn, have the capacity to shape your reality in ways beyond ordinary understanding. Imagine being able to utter a word so imbued with spiritual energy that it brings you into alignment with prosperity itself. When spoken with intention, this word doesn't just resonate, it activates a wave of energy, altering your reality. Before I reveal this word, let's reflect on the immense power of words. Words are far more than mere sounds. They are carriers of energy that can shape events and alter destinies. Spiritual leaders and mystics across history have emphasized the vibrational essence of words, their ability to influence reality. This foundational principle underpins the law of attraction, which teaches us that everything in the universe vibrates, our thoughts, emotions, and words included. Words are energetic seeds planted in the fabric of existence, which grow to shape our experiences. Aramaic words, in particular, carry vibrations so pure and resonant that they seamlessly align with universal energy. The word I'm about to share with you acts as a tuning fork for prosperity. But it's crucial to understand that its true power isn't in the sound itself. It's in the emotional intent and belief you pair with it. Manifestation is about creating harmony between your words, emotions, and intentions. To tap into abundance, your heart and mind must first align with the life you envision, a life filled with financial freedom and boundless opportunity. The word is Shlam. Translating roughly to peace, it embodies far more than tranquility. It signifies a harmonious connection with the universe's infinite flow of abundance. When spoken with intention and belief, Shlam functions as a vibrational key, aligning your energy to match the frequency of prosperity. It's not merely a word, it's a profound energetic tool that opens the pathways for wealth to flow naturally into your life. To use Shlam effectively, integrate it into your daily routine. Speak it during moments of meditation, before bed, or while visualizing your goals. Writing Shlam on paper and placing it beneath your pillow invites its influence into your subconscious mind during sleep, when you're most receptive. Pairing the word with vivid mental images of your desired reality amplifies its impact. Consistency and emotional connection are essential. The more frequently and intentionally you practice, the faster you'll witness results. But let's take this a step further. To amplify its effectiveness, surround yourself with an environment that nurtures manifestation. Find a calm and quiet space where you can practice without distractions. This could be a serene corner of your home, a spot in nature, or even a dedicated meditation area. Begin by centering yourself with deep breaths, releasing any stress or doubt that might cloud your focus. Visualization is key. Imagine your desired life with as much detail as possible. See yourself living in abundance, achieving your financial goals, and experiencing the freedom that wealth can provide. The clearer your mental image, the stronger the vibration you emit. Shlam isn't a magical shortcut to overnight wealth, but rather a tool for cultivating an abundance mindset over time. It often manifests through subtle yet profound shifts, unexpected opportunities, financial breakthroughs, or a transformation in how you perceive money. Beyond material gains, Shlam encourages a fundamental change in your beliefs, fostering a perspective of wealth as an ever-flowing, infinite resource. Commit to using Shlam daily for a period of at least 21 days, and observe the changes that unfold. Manifestation rarely adheres to predictable patterns. It emerges in surprising and transformative ways. By remaining open and faithful to the process, you invite the universe's abundance into your life. Through this practice, you'll find yourself feeling not only worthy, but fully aligned with the wealth and prosperity the universe offers. Beyond just speaking the word, you can enhance its power by pairing it with actions that reflect abundance. For example, practice gratitude daily. Write down 3 things you're thankful for every morning. Gratitude raises your vibration and signals to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Additionally, consider journaling about your financial goals and the emotions tied to achieving them. Each written word further reinforces your intentions. You might also find it helpful to create a vision board, a visual representation of your goals and dreams. Place images of the lifestyle you aspire to have, affirmations and symbols of abundance where you can see them daily. Combine this with repeating Shlam, and you're effectively aligning multiple layers of energy toward your desired reality. Remember, manifestation is not just about wanting, it's about becoming the vibrational match to what you seek. The universe responds not to mere wishes, but to the energy you embody. As you continue this practice, you'll notice not only external changes, but also a profound internal shift. You'll develop a sense of confidence and peace, knowing that abundance is your birthright. To deepen your connection to the practice, explore other techniques that complement the power of Shlam. For instance, integrate sound therapy or music tuned to high vibrational frequencies into your daily sessions. The resonance of specific frequencies, such as 432 Hz or 528 Hz, is believed to amplify the effects of words and intentions. Use this time to further visualize and affirm your goals, creating a holistic approach to manifestation. Additionally, you might experiment with energy healing practices like Reiki or crystal therapy to support your efforts. Crystals such as citrine, pyrite, and green aventurine are known to attract abundance and wealth. Keep them in your practice space or carry them with you to maintain a constant energetic reminder of your intentions. Sharing your journey with others can also amplify your results. When you inspire others to embrace abundance and practice manifestation, you contribute to a collective energy that enhances the flow of prosperity for everyone. Form or join a manifestation group where you can exchange ideas, support one another, and celebrate successes. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of faith and trust in the process. Manifestation requires patience, dedication, and an unwavering belief that the universe is working in your favor. There will be moments of doubt or challenges, but these are opportunities to strengthen your resolve. The universe operates on its own timeline, and often, delays are preparing you for greater rewards than you initially envisioned. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with friends and loved ones who could benefit. Share your experiences with manifestation and the law of attraction in the comments below. Together, let's create a powerful community rooted in gratitude and abundance. Apologies for the recent delay in uploads. Life happens. But we're back on track, ready to dive deeper into these transformative teachings. Explore the other videos on this channel to continue growing, learning, and manifesting a life of limitless possibilities.